This is the ultimate GTI, otherwise known as the Golf R. It's about 300 horsepower stock at stage 1, which would only need a cold air intake at all. That's all. Put in, bolt on, and a reflash. It will be 370 horsepower. I'm not going to do that yet. I'm going to go through the break-in period and drive at varying speeds until we get 1,000 miles on the odometer. This is a big surprise if you've been watching my videos. I never thought in a million years this would happen. Because of COVID-19, Volkswagen's offering a deal that you really will probably never get in your lifetime. 180 days before you have to make the first payment. And get this, 0% interest for the life of the loan, which means same as cash. No interest at all. And by the way, I'm looking at my key fob here, and I figured out online how to open this up. It's the side with the VW logo on it. You just pop it off with your finger real gentle, it pops off. But see that little screw, that's pesky little screw, it's a Torx driver, okay? And I will show you what you need. It's the smallest little Torx driver that I happen to find in one of my little gadgets. I don't even know what the size of this is, but it's the tiniest little Torx driver. I don't know if I can focus in on that. But that's how little it has to be. And all you got to do is, you take your key fob, and then you're going to unscrew it, which I'm almost done. It's very hard to do with one hand. Let me just get it on there real quick. You just screw it. It actually screws quite a lot. Wow. Still screwing. Oh, there it goes. Now I just lost it in the grass. Now I got it. Whew. Where am I going to put it? I will put it in my shoe. Like that. Alright, so now we've got that. Let's see how easy this is to come off now. What do you got to do? The new one is here. It looks like the screw goes in there. Oh, it slides off to the right. Yeah. See how you should look at parts? I just pushed my thumb that way and it came right off. So now I got to open this up with my teeth. Good thing I've got that good vampire stock teeth. Wow, this is really, I think I need to get industrial scissors for this thing. That is the thickest plastic I've ever encountered. That would last a millennium. Okay, so now I just take it and I'm just going to pop it in like so. Give it a little shove that way and see how the hole comes out. I'm going to line up the hole, and then I'm going to take the screw very gingerly, get it hand turned a little bit, and then we'll take the tiniest Torx driver known to man and start screwing it in. I'm actually spinning the key fob around. Hold on. I don't know why I have the key open anyway. not going to strip it, I'm just going to gently put it in till it's snug. There's no gap there. Okay, so that's that. I got the screw back in. Oops, wrong way. Got the screw back in, and it looks good. Now I just got to put this little panel back on, which looks like you just slide it. And push it in. And now you've got the R-line badging on your key fob. My first upgrade was free.